Hi there, this is Jessica from NextGen Personal Finance. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Yahoo Finance to look up historical stock prices. So the first thing you'll do is navigate to finance.yahoo.com, and then over on the right-hand side, you'll see Quote Lookup. You can use this in two ways. You can type in a company's name, such as Chipotle, and then choose the company from the list. Or you can use the quote lookup to enter the ticker symbol itself, which, for example, for Nike would be NKE. Choose it from the list, and then you'll get the stock information for today from Nike. So this is all of the trading information for today, as well as a graph. You can change the terms of the graph if you wanted to. But in this case, particularly if you're doing 5 stocks on your birthday, our project, you're going to want to go to historical data over here. And the default time period is 1 year of data. If you're doing 5 stocks on your birthday, you need to set the starting year to the year of your 10th birthday. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back in this case and start it in 2008 instead. And then you want to push done so that that changes. And you can choose the frequency that you want to see stock prices. So daily is going to give you the open and close for every single day in this entire 10-year period. You could also switch it to weekly or monthly. To get it to be exactly on your birthday though, we're gonna go ahead and leave it at daily. You can push apply. And then, for example, my birthday is on October 15th, so I can just kind of scroll down until I get to October. And what you might see is, for example, my birthday must have been on a weekend in 2017. So in that case, just use the date that is closest to your actual birthday. So I'm going to use October 16th. And just so you know, you're going to be looking for the adjusted close price, which is this column right here. So I'm going to scroll down for October. I'm going to go with the 16th because that's closest to my birthday, and Nike closed at $51.05 that day. And then I can just continue scrolling, and that will take me to October of 2016. And again, you'll see it was on a birthday. My birthday was on a holiday or weekend, so I'm going to go with the 14th in this case, and it closed at $50.60. You can continue scrolling down the page until you get to the year that you turned 10 years old, and that's how you find historical stock prices using Yahoo Finance.